What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I made about $900 day trading today. Honestly, today is not really much of what I do for normal strategy. If we're being real, today was a little bit of a gamble, but paid out. Smart gambling is still gambling, but makes you money though. You know what I'm saying? So this one's a little bit against the trading plan here, so I didn't honestly leverage. I leveraged the same. I was about to say I didn't even leverage that much, which I mean, 0.5% of the account really isn't that much, but regardless, we took a green trade today, and I had enough confluence to consider taking it in the first place. So we'll get into what we have for confluences here today, and there wasn't shit, honestly. No news Monday, or no high impact news Monday today. So as you can see, we were just playing in this fucking range right here all day. Like I expected at least something to happen. So we have these 4-hour lows right here. We have these 4-hour highs right here. 4-hour fair value gap right there as well. That's really it. So as you can see here, if you look into what actually happened once market opened, you'll see what I'm talking about here. So we had a pre-market sweep of these like 15-minute highs during like 9:10. And these were those hourly highs that I pointed out. And as you can see, we were just up, down, up, down, up. Really wasn't much. And like we swept out these lows right here. So there's two like sweeps of liquidity for today. And since we were playing in a range, I just didn't really know what to do, honestly. But from what I saw here is that when we were in this range right here, and this is when I was trying to take a trade, I wanted to be bullish today, just because of all this long extension down, right? So I see this long extension down, and like first off, like equilibrium would be one of the things I look for, right there. So like I want it to go up. I want it to go up. I'm expecting it to go up. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking bullish today. So we'll get into the 1 minute here, and this is basically what I was looking at the entire day because there wasn't anything within the anything. Like there was nothing within any other time frame except for the 1 minute, and there's barely anything there. So you can see after market opens right here, we are shitting the bed, come back up, start shitting the bed again. There's absolutely no confluences anywhere in here except for just inverse fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. It was terrible. So around that 10 a.m. mark, we started getting legs up. And as it's going up, I'm doing this. Fair value gap. All right, that one didn't get touched. Here's another fair value gap. That one didn't get touched. Cool. Here's another fair value gap. Didn't get touched. Eventually, we wrote another one right there. As you can see, perfect. Oh, perfect fill. Perfect fair value gap fill. Oh my God, you can't ask for anything more. So, came back down, filled it. Didn't even close inside the fair value gap. Chef's kiss. Not enough though. We're going to wait for that little bullish closure. Once we got that, boom, in this trade. This was like honestly a picture perfect use of a fair value gap continuation. Trend is your friend. We're going up, right? And kind of a sketchy trade, honestly, because since we were at the tops of this range, it was either we were gonna come up, sweep out these highs, which we did, or we were gonna take that shit and go up. And that's what we did. So when I saw that we got this filled with bullish closure out of it, I was like, all right, that's wraps. It's wraps. So we were in this, stops below that third candle, creating the fair value gap. Excuse me. And then take profit at this 4-hour mark. Right there for a little 3.38 risk reward. That's how we made about 900, risking about 250. So that's my risk management plan is 0.5% of my account, which isn't that much, only $250. So that kind of holds me back from bigger trades, but it also holds me back from losing a shit ton of money. And based off of the way we were at this point a couple weeks ago, before we blew the other account, we're at 2,000. We're one day like this away, right? But I'm not going to try to feed for that one day. I'm not going to be looking for, all right, I want to make $1,000 today so I can pass this count. I'm going to, okay, look at the market. What does the market want to do? That's what I'm going to take from and execute. I'm not executing to make money. I'm executing based off of my knowledge and the trade I actually want to take, not how much money I want to make. And that was my biggest mistake last run. I'm aware of it. I'm locked in. We're not trading for money. We're trading to predict the market and catch market moves and accurately take a trade. So that's what we're doing moving forward. To me, that number doesn't even mean anything. 2,000 what, right? Like, don't let the money get in your head. And I can talk about this because I let the money get in my head. So don't let that happen, and you'll be good. Just take your trades, be confident in yourself, know what you're doing. If you lose a trade, don't try to make that shit back. It fucks you. That's what I did. It cooks. Don't do it. Don't over leverage trying to make enough money to make a small move, but make the $1,000 pass the account. That's what I did. Don't do it. So I might come back tomorrow with I lost $250. I might come back tomorrow how I won $300. I'm not looking to pass the account tomorrow. I'm looking to predict the market and take an accurate trade. So again, this like if you guys watch my other videos, like in my first couple, I was talking about how this is more of like a journal for me than it is anything else. So speaking it into existence, and you guys just happen to be able to learn something or get a little bit of entertainment from it. But mostly it's just an online documentation, holding myself accountable, talking through what I took for the trade, all that type of good stuff. So yeah, overall today, kind of a gamble, but not the best win, but a win is a win. You know what I'm saying? So like, take this one with a grain of salt. A lot of people didn't even trade today because no news Monday, price action was shit. I happened to get lucky on this one. So honestly, nothing really to learn today except for I'm not doing what I did last time anymore. I'm holding fingers up. Not going to over leverage, not going to over trade, not going to revenge trade, not going to take dumb trades. And we should be good. So basically that was the day. 3.38 risk reward, $900. Yes, up. All right, well, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. If I take a trade tomorrow, I might be shitting bricks taking the trade tomorrow, but we're going to try to get the emotions controlled. So, I'll let you guys know if I take a trade tomorrow or not, and you'll see the video. And yeah, leave a like, comment, tips and tricks, questions, whatever you guys want. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.